Greetings, everybody, and welcome to Publicist Thoughts. Today, we're going to be talking about a federal judge declares Massachusetts student that his speech on his shirt is somehow protected speech or not protected speech. So, there is a article in regards to a federal judge rules Massachusetts student there are only two genders, T-shirts invades the rights of others is not protected speech. En contraire, Judge, that is protected speech. First of all, students, when they go to school, a public school, nonetheless, do not give up their First Amendment right to speech. And even if a shirt is hurting somebody's feelings, who gives a shit? It's still protected speech. Even if you deem that speech hate speech. Hate speech is still considered free speech, no matter if you like it or not. But this judge, Massachusetts judge, should be removed from the bench. I hope this student actually challenges this all the way to Supreme Court, because there has been several Supreme Court cases over the years that have protected students in regards to that of what they have done in school and all that. So the reason why this kid got removed and stuff is school administrators were well within their discretion, according to the judge, that the statement that there are only two genders may communicate that only two genders identify male and female are valid, and any others are invalid or non-existent. The ruling continued and to conclude, students who identify differently, whether they do so openly or not, have a right to attend school without being confronted by messages attacking their identities. There's nothing in the school codes or anything like that that states that you have to be at school to argue or be attacked by whatever it is. It's a t-shirt. You don't like it? Tough shit. You know? Apparently, the judge cited multiple precedents. The judge ruled that a school need not tolerate student speech that is inconsistent with basic educational mission, even though the government could not censor similar speech outside the school. So there was no constitutional violation that occurred. En contraire, I don't know where this judge is coming up with these rulings, but this judge is a moron. So, in actuality, like I said, there was multiple cases before the Supreme Court over the decades in regards to, anything that a child or a student of a public school and stuff like that has put on or is expressing and stuff like that has always been deemed free speech and a violation of that student's speech. I don't care that the t-shirt make students unsafe, then make the kids go home then if you don't like it. But you can't state that somehow this kid is somehow targeting a protected class, because people who deem the shirt unsafe to student safety is not a protected class, or whoever that he's offending is a protected class. There are no protected classes. And if you're trying to make the argument that hate speech is a protected class, that's not the case. And all that. It's just like the fact that people are making a big stink about somebody who burned the trans flag or the gay pride flag. That's still protected speech, people. And all that. Y'all need to get over yourselves. And the fact that this boy wearing a shirt somehow, offends people, you have every right to be offended. You don't fucking like it? Tough shit. These people need to get off their fucking asses and stop being so fucking stupid and all that, dude. He didn't fucking do it. He just did it to fucking make a statement, and that's his fucking goddamn right under the First Amendment. Do so. This judge violated his rights. I hope he takes it to the Supreme Court. Let me know what you think down below. Take care, everybody. Peace out.